Hi, I'm Maddy Langemach with Heart to Heart International. We're here in Rolling Fork, Mississippi after the tornadoes came through a couple weeks ago. We're here helping Delta Health Center. After the storm, their facility was completely damaged, and so Heart to Heart International was able to come and bring their mobile medical unit so they could continue to see their patients. They've been seeing up to 85 patients per day with prescription needs and blood pressure checks and any injuries after the storm. So we're glad to be here and glad to help.